What's up, guys? Guru here. Wanted to give you a quick little update on the CHEAPO WR450 project. Zoom out here. Yeah, so basically I just did it a quick look over. It's got spark. You got 3 intake cams here, or 3 intake valves here on this on these old 5-valve Yamaha setups. This one was good. The middle one was about 1 shim too tight, and the one on the other side was way tight. So gonna adjust those. The exhaust, this one was okay, the other one was tight. Basically, I'm thinking, since this thing is such a pain to work on, 06 to 09 YZ450 was it was a bad design. The YZs were pain to work on. It's a real pain to get this head bolt out, get the head cover on and off, get to anything. But this WR version is like that times 10, because you have all this extra. You have the extra EPA stuff. You got the starter and the it's just it's an absolute pain. So I figured while I have it down, I'm just gonna go ahead and order a piston and gaskets and like the GYTR carb kit with the adjustable needle, and just go ahead and make sure everything's good before I put this whole thing back together and try to start it up, because I do not want to take it apart again. So might be a few weeks before I can round up all these parts, but we're gonna do it right the first time and cross our fingers and hope it's good. Oh, definitely needs some little bit of suspension work too. Oh, but yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little update and put the front dirt tire on the DR. So I'm hoping to get this DR out in the dirt maybe in the next couple days. I'm really anxious to see how this thing handles in more of a dirt setting, and if it's decent, then I'm going to go ahead and do some suspension upgrades this winter, stiffen up these forks a little bit, revalve the shock, and make it kind of a true dual sport setup that I can actually take off-road in a setup and see what we can do with it. So yeah, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, hit the bell. Later.